Welcome to RPR. In this video, we'll talk about donut chart in Power BI. This is the seventh video. I've already created 6 more. You can find it out from the playlist. If you wanted to start your Power BI journey, I would request you to start from the beginning, where this will give you a detailed insight about Power BI, how and where we can use it. And by following these playlists, you will become beginner to advanced level Power BI expert. So I would request you to please follow from start to end of this playlist, so that at the end of this playlist, you will get certificates. Once you'll complete the playlist, share your screenshot with me along with your email ID. I will generate certificates for you and share with you. This is a very simple process. It's learning platform. I'm sharing each and every information free of cost. So I will request you to support me providing your subscribe and like tab. And if you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. This might helps other to learn Power BI from scratch without investing a single penny. Now, to start with today's sessions, let's first understand what is donut chart. A donut chart is similar to a pie chart in that it shows the relationship of the parts to a whole. The only difference is that the center is blank and allows space for label or icon. Donut charts work best when you use them to compare a particular sections to the whole rather than comparing individual sections with each other. Now, let's understand how we will build this donut chart. To start with this, first we have to integrate the data. If you don't know how to integrate or import the data, I would request you to follow my previous video, where you will get knowledge about how we can import the data. And post that, once the data is generated, you will have all those informations are available. Start clicking on your donut chart visualization board, and this graph is added. To show the informations, we have to add the data. If the data is not available, you won't be able to see informations. Inside the legend, I will add order number, or maybe in value, I will add order number, and here we'll add order quantity. Now you can see this is the order number and this is the quantity which we have received, where very nicely and colorful donut charts are generated. So if you want to generate it donut charts for customer basis, here instead of order number, you can use this as a count of customer, or maybe here I will add and we'll move it to this. Now you can see this donut chart is generated based on the customer name. So totally depending on your data, whatever data you will add it here, your donut charts will be generated. And it's very simple. Without writing a single line of code, we can generate it. If I will compare with other tools, over there, you have to write code for generating this type of visual instructions. It's very simple. We have to just drag and drop the fields, and based on that, this reports will be generated. If you want to extend it or expand it, you can just click on focus, and this will extend the wizard, which you can always reward it this. Now here I will just drag and drop quantity into the value. Again, this graph is generated. Here we have also options to export the data. If you want to share the CSV file or the detailed informations about this donut chart, you can always share with any of your team member or any of your superiors. Apart of that, we can also take a snap of it and share among the team to have a look about the processes. What is the sales report it is showing, how much revenue we are getting, what all customers they have ordered, and what will the quantity. So comparisons is much easier when we are using donut charts, and generating this donut charts in Power BI is very easy and quick. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to circulate into your circle, otherwise they might miss a very important topic. Your one step can help others to grow and expand their knowledge in technology. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.